But I'm going to try and grind the pine nuts into a kind of flour. Try and make a little paste. I'm going to try toasting them over the fire and make little Johnny cakes out of pine nuts. Got another idea of a way of making these that might be a little bit faster. Now we're talking. Now we're talking. I'd always wondered why the Ashaninka women chew the yucca in order to make masato, which is their fermented drink. The reason they chew it probably is the same reason I've just started chewing this as well. They don't have a blender. They don't have a food processor. But they do have a mouth. There's my mush. I think the best way of doing this is literally to push the fire away from me and leave a bed of embers. Then I'm literally gonna make little balls, flatten them ever so slightly, and pop them on the embers. Needless to say, never done this before, but they're sticking together without an egg yolk. Oh my goodness. These are gonna be phenomenal. Look at those. That's golden brown. I've just made a cake. I've processed it in my mouth. Oh my God. That is like a protein ball. It is a protein and fat ball. That is out of this world. Honestly, better than anything my wife cooks. Joke, Laura.